Welcome to my YouTube channel. Simple and easiest recipe by Mrs.Kamran. Let's make summer special Masala Bhindi 2 tsp of all. Fry bhindi on medium heat till soft dot and slightly crispy 8 to 10 minutes. Green chili center cut optional. Now remove and set aside. In the same pan, add 1 tsp oil. For large size onion slice cut. Saute till light golden. Ginger garlic paste 1 tsp. One and 1/2 tsp green chili paste. Mix it well. For large size tomatoes chopped cut. Spices. To tsp salt, to tsp red chili powder 0.1, to tsp turmeric 0.1, to dry coriander 0.1, to cumin seed. Mix it well. Cook until tomatoes are soft and oil start to separate. Add sautéed bhindi. Mix gently and cook 4 to 5 on low flame. Thanks for watching. I just hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting recipe.